Sony recently launched the WF-1000XM5 ANC earbuds, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of WF-1000XM5. So we will talk about its design, features, audio quality, battery life, overall performance and all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. The WF-1000XM5 comes in eco-friendly retail box, inside which you will find the earbuds, some graphic instructions, quick start guide, user manuals, a USB Type-C cable and some ear tips. Talking about the design and build quality, the first thing you will notice is that they are way more smaller and lighter compared to the previous generation of WF-1000XM4. The shape and design is very ergonomic and fits perfectly inside your ears. Because of the lightweight and comfortable design, you will be able to use the 1000XM5 for hours without facing any issue, and the noise isolation earbud tips are also quite comfortable and provide nice grip and sound isolation. I would personally prefer that the whole body was matte finished instead of the combination of glossy and matte finished, because it attracts fingerprint and sometimes it is very difficult to take these earbuds out of the carrying box because of the slippery glossy finished body. The charging case is also quite small and it comes with a whole matte finished body. We just got an LED indicator, a USB Type-C port charging and a physical button. The magnets provided are quite strong, and once you put the earbuds inside, they won't fall out of the case easily. The charging case also comes with wireless charging capability, and the WF-1000XM5 are IPX4 certified for being water resistant. Talking about the audio quality, WF-1000XM5 comes with an 8.4mm driver with 24-bit audio processing and LDAC codec support to provide brilliant audio quality. And because of these, it provides very clear highs and mids, and you get very deep bass when it comes to lows. Even at high volume, you won't feel any audio distortion, and the high performance analog amplification provides a crystal clear audio reproduction as well as low distortion. So it does not matter what kind of music you listen, you will be happy with the audio quality and performance of WF-1000XM5 for sure. And the superior noise cancellation also provides the overall better listening experience, as it comes with real-time audio processor along with the integrated processor V2 that provides HD noise cancellation with the help of 6 microphones provided to suppress majority of the ambient sound. Based on the deep neutral network, the AI-based noise reduction algorithm provides a very impressive active noise cancellation. And instead of the noise cancellation, if you want to listen the ambient sound, then WF-1000XM5 also comes with an ambient sound mode that enhances the ambient sound to give you the idea of the surrounding, and you can even emphasis on the voice only if you want to talk someone without removing your earbuds. And when it comes to call quality, then WF-1000XM5 is the clear winner among all earbuds, as it comes with an AI-based noise reduction algorithm, 6 microphones and a bone conduction sensor. So when you speak, WF-1000XM5 clearly detects your voice and removes the ambient sound and background noise to provide a crystal clear audio to the recipient. It also comes with the wind noise reduction feature that also contributes in the overall voice call experience. All of the sensors provided on WF-1000XM5 work very well. You can perform single tap, double tap, triple tap and continue pressing on each left and right earbuds, so you can actually perform 8 different kinds of commands on these earbuds, and it also supports voice command. The touch sensors work very well, and the same goes with the autoplay pause feature. So every time when you remove the earbuds from your ear, the music will be stopped, and once you put them back, the music will start playing again, and it works perfectly every single time. It also comes with the head gesture that detects the movement of your head, and you can accept an incoming call by nodding and reject it simply by shaking your head, and this one is a quite nice feature for sure. It also comes with the adaptive sound control feature that automatically changes the audio output based on your location and the activity you are doing. WF-1000XM5 also supports multi-point connection that allows you to connect your earbuds to multiple devices at the very same time. It also comes with 360 reality audio. It analyzes the shape of your ear and based on that provides you immersive spatial audio experience on your WF-1000XM5. Talking about the battery life, The WF-1000XM5 provides nearly 7 hours of battery life with ANC turned on. That's quite impressive, and once the battery goes down, you can easily charge it with the provided charging case. The charging case itself can be charged using the USB Type-C port, and since it supports wireless charging as well, you can even use the reverse wireless charging capable smartphone to charge the WF-1000XM5 earbuds and the case itself. To use all of the features and functionality of WF-1000XM5, you will have to use the Sony's Headphone Connects application, using which you can update the software of the device, you can have a look on the battery status, and then you will be able to turn on or off the various features like speak to chat, multi-point connections, head gesture, and make any changes in the equalizer. Overall, WF-1000XM5 is one of the best earbuds as it comes with very advanced hardware to provide a great audio experience. The design and build quality is nice, it looks beautiful, the battery life is impressive, the active noise cancellation is of top notch. The same goes with the audio quality as well, and when it comes to voice calls, it's the best one for sure. So if you're planning to buy a nice active noise cancellation earbuds, then the Sony WF-1000XM5 is one of the best options available in the market for sure. And if you would like to know more about the Sony WF-1000XM5, then visit the link given in the description of this video. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.